There are like millions of tokens are launching every day right now. So I'm gonna show you the successful ones, the ones that are like potentially good, but like they wasted it, and also the ones that are doing it wrong. So this video is going to be about rating the new launches. Okay, so I'm gonna check some launches, and then I'll rate them. Let's get into it. So Baby Pippin, we already checked this one. This is like a farm type of thing. Still goes, but has small market cap, like little liquidity. This is like a basically This is a rug probably. He already rugged it, so or it never. Oh no, it went really good. Okay, it went good. Like not that much though. Like a 500K maybe at at most. But this thing is like a obvious farm. This could be like good for the creator if he is not using that much of volume bots and stuff. So let's check the creator, okay? So who is this dude? Like let's check Baby Pippin again because this dude is still there. So take his address and then just look at pump.fun, okay? Wait, no, I'm doing it wrong. God, I gotta copy tokens. Fucking, contract address. So, okay. So what do we see here is like this. This is the creator, right? So let's say these buys are real people, real people's buys, and we take a look at the trading actions. So there are some profits here. Which ones are the team? I don't know. But let's say like they made 10K here, and the real thing here is the rewards, in my opinion. Not shareable coins are not created as shareable, or what is this? He's not getting any rewards or something like that. Come on, man. I don't know about that. Let's check his soul scan if he is getting any rewards. Is he claiming anything? Yeah, he claims. So he look at the reward claim like 17. All right. So he claims like I don't know 3, 1, 2, like for each hour he makes like a so 3 Solana, and this coin is here for at least 1.5 day. So that makes like this guy probably made something something around like 100 Solana to 300 Solana. Like this is the range. So this type of launches are not my style because this is like a you always just you have to take like you have to make them believe that is going to go up, but like this thing is just not going up because they're always taking the trash in the coin. They're just they're fucking up the chart if this is like not the real. If someone bought that much and then you're selling it as a developer, then you're an asshole and idiot in my opinion. So you're making like 100 Solana and 300 Solana out of this shit. Maybe you could make like I don't know 1,000 because I'm seeing this thing for like 2 days and it's like always on the top. If it was a successful thing, it would be like them. Look at them. Trump 2 and like punch whatever it is. I don't know for sure if they're like if they have bots or anything. Anyways, I'm giving like 5 to Baby Pippin because I don't want to see that shit. This is like a not really great example of meme coins for the chain. Like people are seeing that kind of farms and they're like getting disgust. Like look at the other ones. For example, this one is new, 34 minutes. Oh, this is like Binance chain. I don't really care about Binance chain. It's all Chinese and stuff right now. I don't know. I don't understand anything. It's not English. So this one psyop juice, whatever it is, I don't know. This is kind of probably something related to things I don't like. So this guy is doing well if they're not, if they're like real accounts. Let's check this one, for example. All right. Who's this guy? This is the signer. He has two account, two tokens, which means these buys are not real. So this guy, I have no idea if he is doing well or not. We gotta look for the ones that are not bots, like real buys. I'm gonna check real buys. If there are some real buys, this guy is just pumping his own coin. So let's see this one. Point 0.2 worth of buy, which is not that much, but look. So this is a real person. How about this one? No, this is bot. This is a bot. Look at how about this one? Nope. This is his own account. So this is like I give this like 2 or 3 at tops because this guy is struggling a lot with the volumes and shit. This is risky type of launch. You can lose money when you do things like that. You can lose money. I've been there. I tried this. This is not. This is too risky for. You are buying that much of your tokens, and when you miss one sniper who bought right here, it will take a lot of money of yours. So I'm gonna check like the new ones. Let's check the new pairs. So they're not trending new pairs, newest, because I like quick plays. So look at the, is this graduated or no? It's not graduated. It's like, yo, this guy is like, he added like 100 Solana in the token, right? And these are all his bots probably. Let's check it. This one has 4 tokens, so suspicious. Then look at this one. This one has 2 tokens, suspicious again. How about this one? 2 tokens. This guy is like, he is buying and waiting for someone to buy, and then he is going to remove the liquidity because it's obvious that he is not going to burn it. All right, these are all his buys. What I'm looking at is this looks weird. Someone else who bought it, like the 4 tokens type of thing. I don't know. I don't know the 4 tokens and shit. I wanna hide this. I don't care about this fucking stupid scamish ads. They're like using women for. Oh, this is a real buy. So there is a real buy which is like 1 point something. So what I'm thinking is, these guys probably keep buying it till he got like 5 Solana or something, and then he'll dump it. But a person with like a small IQ will understand this is not fucking real, you know? So I don't know. I give like solid one to this lunch. This is like nonsense to me. If you're doing it, you gotta do it right. He's doing something very correct, which is like not launching the meme coin on the fucking pump.fun and don't give them fucking money or anything. Look at this guy. He launched it on PumpSwap, but he didn't go as far as 100 Solanas, right? He put like 14.96. I'll be, I've seen this guy before. Like he's making real money. I guess I gotta look at this. Who's this? Two tokens suspicious. Let me check if you got anyone else. If he's making money. Look at the transaction speed. By the way, it's like this is another one of his. How about this one? Let's check this one. So what this it uses Axiom Trade. This one is probably the real person. Yeah. So he got like 2 point something from real person. So this guy is doing like he's doing it with small liquidity. He's minting SPL tokens, okay, and he's doing it with small liquidity. So more people apes, and then the chart looks better. The other guy was doing it like he added like 100 Solana, which is crazy. Everyone knows it's fake, right? But this feels more organic. This feels like something real, you know. So there are more buyers in it. Look at it. Look at it. He decided to sell some. So probably there are like more buyers in it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how this guy is doing this thing. It's like very easy, and for me, this is like the best option to launch a meme coin right now because I don't want to give my liquidity to pump fund. I don't want to use that virtual liquidity stuff. Lots of things. Look, this dude burned his liquidity. He didn't pay fucking money to pump fund. You can do this like you do it like that. You don't need to create your token on pump fund. There's no reason for it. And look at his address. It ends with pump. So I'm gonna show you how he really doing it, and like you'll be crazed like how easy it is. So this is like the one of the most popular tools, and this one is like a safe one. Okay, the other ones are just doing like trash things to make money. I understand their stuff, but this one is cheap and like I've used this one. So you create your coin right here. Let's say whatever is your coin. What was the coin that we came from? I didn't even look at the name, by the way. So no name, no description, nothing. Okay. So the revoke freeze section is you have to have it to create liquidity pool because these guys they don't let you to ruin people's money. You have to select this and then revoke mint. If you don't select this and revoke update, your token is not going to be a pump fund token. It's gonna be like a weird token. People will understand that it's not coming from pump fund, which we don't want them to understand. So you have to do that because it's a very big red flag. If you mint your token after the launch, that means you can just like sell all the liquidity and no one is going to be interested in a coin which is mintable, right? So pump.fun token, which means customizer CA ends with pump, just like I showed you, and they're doing it for like $8. This thing like probably uses almost like $8 worth of fucking gram, or I don't know, AI, whatever they doing, they got this algorithm to generate these things. And then after like creating your token, I'm not going to create a token, by the way, because I have like 48 videos right now, and like 40 of them are showing how to create the SPL token. If you are interested in it, just watch my video, like the latest video or one or two before, and then the latest one. Anyways, you create your liquidity, and there's this thing like you gotta put like 20% to the liquidity, okay, and keep the 80% because pump fund adds 20% to liquidity. That's why. And burning token, this is like a strategic stuff. If you watched more my videos, like one of my launch videos, you will understand. You will see different strategies. They are not all the same. Some of them, like sometimes I burn like half of the liquidity to give them like hope. This guy's not going to ruin us. Like, and then I burn more. Sometimes I burn my tokens, like developer tokens, so they will see that this dude is reliable, and whatever. And remove liquidity. It's like uh when your launch is like not going more than its potential. Sometimes people are doing it. I don't know about these things. uh I just don't want you to use it, multi senders are just like the sending the tokens and shit. Sometimes you need it. But to sum up, I've rated like 3 or 4 launches, I guess, and they're all shit because they use pump fund. They don't have this flexibility of doing like other things to attract investors, right? But the guy who launched on PumpSwap directly, just like I'm doing, he was the most successful one, and you could see that, like the graph and everything. That dude is going to make some money. He's printing, and I have videos about printing, you know. So thank you all for watching. If you want to know how to launch meme coins in the right way, you can just like watch my tutorial videos. It's in the playlist. And make sure you like and subscribe. That's it for me today. Peace out.